Oh, look at my mom tits, bro. Jesus Christ. Okay, let me get for real. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's K.monae and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing my Fashion Nova spring pregnancy try on haul. So I got 8 different, not outfits, because dresses and jumpsuits. And y'all, look at my mom tits. These are, they getting too big. The first thing I have on is called the Nova Season jumpsuit in color gray. And these jumpsuits are the most easiest things you can like wear while you're pregnant. They so comfortable and they just so free. And I love my jumpsuits. Like, I could just move however I want to move. I feel real comfortable, real relaxed, and yeah, I like my jumpsuit. So the next one I'm gonna try on is the same one, and it's just in black. Here's the black one, and you could pretty much dress this however. I usually wear bras with mine sometimes, cause like the way my boobs set up, I don't like it. But you can pair them with like some flip-flops or some sneakers. You could dress them up or down. You can dress it however you want, honestly. Like, the material is nice and stretchy. I love these. I love the jumpsuits. Let me tell y'all what size it is. So this one in the gray one is an extra small. And like I said, it stretches. So I wasn't really too worried about it not being able to fit when my stomach get bigger, because it's really stretchy. The material is really good. So these are the only 2 jumpsuits I have. Let's move on to the dresses. So this dress right here is called the Most of Us Mindy dress, and this is a size small. I got my phone so I can read the dresses out for y'all. I mean, the names out for y'all. And I'm also going to put the pictures on the side so y'all can see. But this dress right here is just a, what you call these? Tube top dress. Yeah, you call it I'll call it a tube top dress. But yeah, that's what this is. Just a tube top dress. And it's stretchy. Like, at the bottom it's stretchy so I can walk. And it fits you like nice and tight. So I like that it's stretchy, but it still fits you in all the right places. So like, you can see my stomach. It's just a cute little mom dress. I like this. I have not worn this yet. I haven't worn most of the stuff yet. I wore the 2 jumpsuits already, but I haven't worn this dress yet. It's cute. You can dress it up or down. I'll probably wear some sandals with it, some flip-flops or slides. You know, it's even cute with this hair. I don't know what I was doing with my hair today. I just was like, I'm gonna put it up because my blog got old. But yeah, I like this dress. It's really cute. It's really cute. I like that it fits tight at the bottom, and it's not like loose, looking all raggedy, but I'm still able to walk. Like, it's not like a tight old mermaid dress. But yep, this is again the Most of Us Mindy dress. Okay, y'all, so this dress right here is called the GG Mindy dress. A lot of these are like Mindy dresses, I guess, because they stop after the knees. But this dress has 2 different type of straps. So it's like a thicker strap and a smaller strap. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but I didn't see that. Now when I look at the model, you can see that, but I thought it was gonna be like a regular dress with both of these straps like this. But it has 2 different size straps, which is okay. And the material on it is really stretchy. Like, it's really stretchy. I like that because no matter how big my stomach get, I can still wear this dress. It's white and it's cute. I hope my panties not bunched up. It's white. It's real cute. It's not below the knees. It's real stretchy, so when I walk, there's not a problem. My stomach looks nice in it. Everything is cute. I like this dress. I don't own a white dress, I don't think, but it's another one of these dresses over here that I'm going to get in white because I thought this would be like a regular dress. The material that it is, you can really dress it up with some heels, but I'll probably just wear like some sandals or something. It'll probably even be cute with my shades I have on. Oh yeah, hold up y'all. This is a fit, y'all. This is a whole little outfit. First of all, I love this purse. If y'all watch my my purse haul, y'all see me do, and I could put this around it to make the brown pop out for my shades. Oh my god, I really might wear this as an outfit. And then I got the chain. I gotta wipe this mark off. I don't know what happened. I think one of the other purses dye got on it. Oh my god, this is real cute. This is real giving, real cute. And I could even wear, no, those sandals got silver in it. I'm real extra about that. This is real cute. And I seen Jayla Corian do this to her purses if she wanted to wear them. If she wanted to wear it like this. See? Oh my god. Can y'all see my shoes? Ava Apparel. I had these for like 2 years. It's stopping me to get some new ones. But yes, this is so cute. That's a picture, ain't it? Mommy Anna! Mommy Anna. Okay, let me go to the next one because I'm getting a little bit scared away. You know, with some anklets. That's just like a real cute chill dress. But like I said, this is the Gigi Mindy dress in a size small. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this dress is the Your Needs Meet dress. And it's in a size small. And this is one of my favorite dresses. I did wear this dress already. But it's one of my faves. Is it a Mindy dress? No, it's not a Mindy dress. I just like the material on it. It's really stretchy. All these dresses are really stretchy. And I like the straps. That both of the straps are the same. And it's just an everyday, you know, throw on quick, real cute. You could pair it with anything. I would pair it with my Von Dutch purse because it got like that navy blue in it. And just to like, you know, bring some color pop into it, I would pair it with this purse and probably, I don't know what sandals. Some sandals, of course. But yeah, I think they go cute with these shades. You know, some shades. Cute little dress or whatever. Who said what? Who said pregnant moms can't be cute? Period. You know, all these dresses are just so cute and you can wear them with anything. You can dress them up or down. You can wear it with sandals, sneakers, heels, well, however you want to wear them. I'm going to keep it comfortable and I'm going to put my sandals or my slides on. Even maybe a pair of sneakers, like, you know, not no bulky old sneakers. You cannot wear no bulky old sneakers with a dress like this. Some cute little sneakers that show your ankles so you can wear an anklet, like something like that. So this is the Your Needs Meet dress in a size small. And we have 3 more dresses. Okay, so this is, what's the name of this dress? Go With Anything mini dress. And it's a mini dress, I guess, because they come above your knees. But I like this dress. They say it's in the color red, but I see orange. Maybe it gives orange red. Orange red, yeah, I guess. But oh, let's twist it. They have adjustable straps on there, so you can make it like how high or how low you want them. I could wear this dress without a bra. It is like, it doesn't bother me. It's nice material. It's like, what material would you say this is? I can't even describe the material, but it's stretchy also. It's just not the stretch at like the stretch those dresses have. It's not rib material, but it's a different type of material. And I want this dress in white. This is one of the dresses that I said I want in white. I want this dress in white, and it's real cute. I like the color. And yeah, this is a size small, and it's in the color red. So if you're looking for this dress, I have all the dresses down in the description anyway, but the color in their description is red. But this looks orange to me, reddish orange. I don't know. Next dress. Okay, so this dress right here, I cannot find the dress on the Fashion Nova website. But this dress is like a burnt orange color, and it has a split in the back. If y'all see deodorant on this dress, it's because I was trying to put it on just now, and it's hard trying to get dressed. It has a split in the back. It's real comfy. It's stretchy also. It's real stretchy. Jeez. Y'all, getting dressed as a pregnant girl, it's just so tiring. Like, it takes all my breath away. But yeah, I like this dress. I would probably wear a bra with this dress just because it doesn't lift up my boobs how I want it to lift up. That's me personally. I got boobs. If you ain't got no boobs, you can wear this without no bra. But I could wear a bra because I still can hide my straps behind these thick straps. And yeah, I like the split in the back. That's real cute, sexy, you know. Could take a picture like. Oh, I could also wear my, these are my favorite shades now, y'all. These are my favorite shades. Like, you know, real Mamiana-ish. Real Mamiana-ish. Okay, so this is the laced up and ready Mindy dress. And I bought this dress actually for a wedding I was gonna go to, because it's like an outside wedding, and you know, springtime, so I got yellow because I really don't wear yellow, but it actually complements my skin very good, like real good. And I like the slit in there, and it's long, and then in the back it got the lace thing in the back. I try to do it as good as I can for myself, but yeah, it laced up in the back, and in the front it just looks like this. It'll probably look cuter on someone with smaller boobs, but it's still cute. I really like it. I like the slit. It gives me real sophisticated, sexy still, you know. Y'all know what I'm gonna say, real Mamiana-ish. But yes, so this is in the size small. All my stuff are in a size small. I usually wear extra small, but once I got pregnant, I went a size up. I probably could have got this in the extra small so it can hug me tighter, but I just didn't know. All the rest of the dresses fit perfect in a size small, excuse me, in a size small. But this dress is really cute. Yellow and blue, like a dark blue, complements my skin tone very well. Like royal blue, yeah, not navy blue, royal blue, and yellow and orange complements my skin so well. Like, I really like them colors during the summertime. And yeah, so make sure you guys go ahead and purchase these dresses. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me coming to y'all because I be really comfortable in my dresses and in my jumpsuits from Fashion Nova, and those are the only places that I have been shopping since I've been pregnant. I'm gonna actually try some more places, but for now, Fashion Nova is the go. I never be disappointed with my clothes when I do order from Fashion Nova. So yeah, I can't wait to take my maternity pictures, y'all. We have a couple more. We have 1 month left actually to my maternity pictures. 1 month and 2 days, honestly, to my maternity pictures. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, because y'all know I'm gonna vlog that and I'm gonna post that. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Did I say that right? Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you guys turn y'all post notifications on so y'all know when I post. I always post on my story, on my Instagram story, letting you guys know when I'm finna post the video and what kind of video it's gonna be. So make sure you also follow me on all my social media accounts. They're gonna be down below, and they also be in the beginning of the video and at the end of the video. So make sure y'all follow me on my socials so I can keep up with me and baby Harm when she come. I'm also gonna make her Instagram account probably closer to when she come, or when she get here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul, and I hope you guys go ahead and purchase you some Mamiana clothes. You know, you still can be cute. It don't have to be maternity, because none of these clothes are maternity. These are regular clothes. I just want a size up so they can fit how I want them to fit. So yeah, that's that for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.